we help people to start their own businesses online. And if you're interested in that, then stick around, because we're going to be talking about that a little bit in a minute. So we do a workshop twice a week where we show people how they too can get started with an online business. Now, most people go, I wouldn't have the first clue as to how to do that, which is quite right, and we wouldn't have done either. But by working with people who are helping us to plug into a system, we're able to do that. That's somebody in their little toy up there, having fun. That's what life's all about, isn't it? Yeah, getting the car that you want to drive, getting the house that you want, get the toys that you want, the nice car, the plane, whatever it is. But I really value time with my family, time with my partner, and time to enjoy some of the good things in life, like my little boy here. Here he is, my little camper van. Oh God, I love him, and we love spending time in him. So whatever it is that floats your boat, maybe you would like some more time to do that too. A lot of people are just interested in earning some money. They know they've got bills that they need to pay, and just a little bit of extra money would really help to kind of put the cherry on top. So be able to join the sailing club, or be able to go to judo lessons or karate without having to worry about where that money was coming from. So whatever success means to you, that's what we're talking about, because everybody's so different, aren't they, these days? But even though everyone's so different, and everyone comes from a different background with different experiences, we have a system which you can plug into, and it's brilliant. It's really, really clever, really clever. And I've plugged so many people into it, and they're having great results. So if you're interested, come along. You'll be very quick to know whether it's something of interest to you. So I won't waffle on for hours, but have a look, click down here, and we'll take you through the process, and you can see if it's something you think you can do. And if it is, great. I look forward to working with you and having some fun. Okay, chat to you later.